Hi, scholars. Happy Wednesday and Thursday for 7th grade ELA. If you have any questions, be sure to come to office hours and I will gladly answer them for you. One thing I do want to note is on Tuesday in our live class, we came up with a goal for each group. And so I'm going to have each group write down the goal as a comment right below here. So make sure to check that out if you are not sure what you're doing today. But next week in our live class, we are going to start making our infographics for our group's topic. And so this is the time for the catch up of any more information that you think you're going to need that's going to be necessary for these visuals about your topic. So just make sure you check out those and come to office hours if you have any questions. We're still just trying to collect as much information on Wednesday and Thursday as possible in your own words. So let's go ahead and do that and come to office hours if you have any questions or concerns. See you then.